Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will look at one of the most interesting tools, Dorks Hunter. The purpose of the tool is to search for useful Google Dorks, hard-coded in the script. Warning: this is not a Google bypass tool. If you abuse this tool, you will receive a HTTP error 429, too many requests message. This means you've been banned. If this happens, try again after a few hours, you will get results again. Let's begin this lesson by downloading the application using the following command. Once the application has been downloaded, navigate to the folder containing it. Then let's run the requirement.txt file to install all the libraries, modules, and packages in itself that are used to run the application. Now our application is ready to run. For testing purpose, I have used a vulnerable web application for this demo. According to the tool's results, it detected a sensitive PHP info page in the targeted web app. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any clarification, put your questions in the comment box, and subscribe to stay in touch with Briskinfosec.